Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the basics about Tkinter. Okay, what is Tkinter? Why can we use Tkinter? What are the things that you can create using this Tkinter? And all those basic things that we are going to study for a beginner. Okay, so if you are a beginner, do continue to watch, and then you will be able to create the applications, which is the desktop applications. Okay, so Python provides, so what is Tkinter? Okay, so Python provides various options for developing graphical user interfaces. Okay, so Tkinter is one of the package which can be used to create desktop applications in Python. Okay, so Tkinter is a standard GUI library for Python. Python, when combined with Tkinter, provides a fast and easy way to create the GUI application. Tkinter provides a powerful object-oriented interface to TK GUI toolkit. Okay, the foundation element of the Tkinter is the window. Windows are the containers in which all other GUI elements live. These other GUI elements such as the text boxes, labels and buttons are known as widgets. Widgets are contained inside of the windows. Okay, so now let's get started with the Tkinter. We are going to create different applications. So before getting into applications, we need to know what are the widgets that are available. They are the label, the entry widget, which is the input, the button widget for the button to be clicked, and much more, which we will be discussing in the coming sessions. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, in the first step, let's import Tkinter. Okay, so let's import Tkinter as TK. Okay, because always Tkinter writing, it is such a waste of time. So like I'll be giving it like TK. Okay, so now window is equals to TK dot TK off. Okay, now let's write like greeting is equals to TK dot label of text is equals to whatever the text you want. Label means it is to give out some text, right? Let's give hello, welcome to coding duty. Okay, or otherwise what you can write, subscribe to coding duty. Okay, so whatever you want you can write. Now let's write like greeting dot pack. Okay, so each widget needed to be packed inside. Okay, so now at the last you need to give window dot main loop. Okay, so packing a widget, and after finishing you have to give window means it is this variable dot main loop. Okay, whichever variable we have used the window, that one itself we have to use for the as the last line for the main loop. Okay, so now let's see how this will look like. Yes, you can see here that it's a small window with TK its name, and let's give like hello, welcome to coding duty, right? So this is the first step that we wrote. Okay, so now there are so many other options for the label itself. And so now I am going to show you how you can give the background. So let's give like background is equals to, I'll just give like yellow, and then let's try to give the foreground also. Okay, and foreground is equals to pink. Okay, so now let's see how this looks like. Hello, welcome to coding duty. Okay, so now if you want a border, let's give a border of 2. So now I think the border color is also the same, that's why you are not able to see it. Okay, and there are so many other things also which we will be discussing in the coming sessions. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to create a entry widget. Okay, so what we can do, let's create something called entry. Entry means it is the input, okay, of, and let's give the entry. Okay, okay, now let's give it to be empty. Okay, now let's give entry dot pack in the step of packing it. Okay, so now let's press F5 and just see how it looks like. You have got a entry, right? So the next step is like, let's create a button. Okay, so in this session we'll study about how to create a button using the button widget. Okay, so let's create w is equals to button of tk.button, right? I forgot about tk.button, and let's give a command which is equal to window.destroy. Okay, which means it will be closing the window. Okay, so for that we are using it, and let's give a text here. Text is equals to close. Okay, so this is a close button with the window.destroy because window is my screen name. Okay, so now let's see what happens. You are not able to see because you haven't given w.pack, right? Because you forgot about the pack option. So now you got something called close. Let's try to close it. Okay, if you want to give any of the background, foreground and things like that, definitely you can use that. Okay, let's give background is equals to red and foreground equal to black. So now you can see that it has got an option to close. Okay, so these are the basic 3 of the widgets, okay, that we can use. So in this button itself we are able to give the width and the height. Okay, so let me give like width is equals to 20 and height is equals to 40. Okay, and let's see. Okay, my button height is too long, right? Let's give 10. Still it's too big. Width is 40 and height is 10. Now let's see. Height is like 2 is enough, I think. Okay, and the width can be 20, right? So similarly we can create all these things inside. Okay, we can create a login form and things like that using. Even we are able to create a restaurant management app, then a converter app and things like that. Okay, so in the next video I'll be showing you how you can create a centimeter to meter converter using the Tkinter application. Okay, centimeter to meter, then Fahrenheit to Celsius, from Celsius to Kelvin and things like that will be shown in the next coming videos. Okay, please don't forget to watch the videos. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with some other interesting videos. Bye.